The article I chose is called Conditioned Reinforcement and Response Strength. This article focuses on how conditioned reinforcers strengthen behavior. It measures the effects of conditioned reinforcers through the matching law as well as behavioral momentum theory. Conditioned reinforcers are a previously neutral stimulus that has acquired the capacity to strengthen responses because it has been repeatedly paired with a primary reinforcer. A couple of examples of conditioned reinforcers are money, grades, or praise. So the matching law is when different schedules of reinforcement are available at the same time for different behaviors. And individuals will allocate their behavior according to the relative rates of reinforcement available for each option. The behavioral momentum theory is the rate of responding as well as resistance to change following an alteration in reinforcement conditions. So both of these were used to measure the effects of conditioned reinforcers on strengthening behavior. When thinking about conditioned reinforcers, the matching law suggests that conditioned reinforcers obtain the ability to strengthen responding because of their association with primary reinforcers. This article also examines behavioral momentum and response strength when considering conditioned reinforcers' effects on strengthening behavior. The resistance to change is measured in order to determine response strength. Resistance to change is measured by using a multiple schedule of reinforcement and arranging differential conditions of primary reinforcement, as well as two components signaled by distinctive stimuli. A disruptor is introduced, such as extinction, and the response rate provides a measure of resistance to change. The results found that conditioned reinforcers do not affect response strength the same as primary reinforcers do. In conclusion, there is a lot more research that needs to be done on this topic. This article weighs both sides of the argument of whether conditioned reinforcers strengthen behavior. It looks at conditioned reinforcement in terms of food-paired stimuli during delays to reinforcement and discrimination procedures. But it also notes that conditioned reinforcers do not affect response strength the same way that primary reinforcers do. This article also suggests that tokens, which are conditioned reinforcers, their response strengthening effects beyond their role as a means to an end is somewhat weak. So there is a lot more research to be done on this topic.